out, you know, fancy but classy. Birkin bag me.
Hey my beautiful glam dolls, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. First things first, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the little bell next to it so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Also, I need you to like and comment your favorite part of this video after you're done, of course, you know. So we're gonna jump right into it, not gonna waste no time. So the whole premise of this video, I know y'all heard about these Birkin bags all over the internet, okay? I'm tired of hearing about it, honestly. But I feel like, you know, let me go and hook the girls up, let them know where they can get some cute little affordable bags, little, you know, sunglasses, some inspired looks for less, okay? You don't have to spend all that money. We ain't gotta get no $15,000 bags to look cute around here, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. First of all, let's just start off by saying all of these looks are from SHEIN.com. It's like my favorite website right now. You can find all cute little trendy pieces for the low. It does take a little while to come, about a week and a half, but it's not too bad. Spend my own money, not sponsored. Nobody gave me these items, so I'm gonna hop right in and let y'all know about them. All the links will be down below in the description box as well. So we got these first sunglasses. So most of their sunglasses come in a nice little case. So it's like a zipper case. Yeah. So we got these sunglasses. I first saw them on Sweetie. And they are the dupes for the Dior sunglasses. So these are the sunglasses. I believe the name of them are, I forget, but these are the sunglasses. Super cute. Now, I paid $5 for these. Well, actually I paid a little less because I always search for a coupon and I always get around 15 to 20%. So these were $5 and I paid $4 and some change for them. And I'm looking over here looking at my notes, so don't mind me. The retail value for the, they're the Christian Dior So Light 1 sunglasses. So the retail value for those are $425 and I paid $5 sis. So yes, definitely go get you these shades. You know, little Dior, Christian Dior. So that's that look. So let's get to the next one. So this next look definitely put me in the mind frame of a YSL. You know, little Saint Laurent or whatever. So this one is the Chevron Graphic Flap Shoulder Bag. So I would compare this to the YSL Lulu bag. I would say in a medium. So the resale value for that is $2,150. Who got that? Not I right now. So I got this bag for $26. So this is how it is. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut the plastic off. This bag is super cute. The hardware on here is gorgeous. It's not lightweight at all. It's a nice little metal. Double straps, just like a YSL bag. Let's just open it. It's out. And on the inside, you have 2 different compartments. Then you have your zipper on the inside. Nice little zipper. And that's basically it. I mean, it's not nothing super fancy, but it is a nice little leather look. You can wear it with 1 strap. You can pull it up, have 2 straps. And baby, ain't nobody gonna tell you you don't have a YSL. Of course, they don't have a big old YSL right here, but I mean, it's cute. So unless you've been under a rock or something for 2020, baby, Bottega Veneta, I think that's how you say it. Veneta, whatever. They've been on top, okay? Everybody's been rocking the Bottega. And this next bag, this would be a dupe for the Bottega padded cassette bag. The retail value for that is $2,800. We're going up and up in price, but not me, because for this bag I paid $16, okay? $16. So it's a real lightweight bag. It even has the same little triangle hardware as on the real bag. The straps do not come off, however, but I don't know if they do on the real one, but I don't really mind. It's just a regular class one there. I have some plastic filling it up. So that's one thing about SHEIN bags. You kind of got to fill them out a little bit because they be a little flat. But, I mean, for what you pay for it, I mean, you just get what you pay for. I mean, hey, it is what it is. $16, you ain't gonna get too far. But on the inside, there are no pockets or zippers or anything. But it looks like it can fit pretty much a lot of stuff. You can get your lip gloss, your lipstick, your wallet, phone, the basics, and you're good to go. So yeah, that's the Bottega dupe right there. And this design is like super cute. They had a lot more colors. I couldn't decide which one to get, but this one, it was popping, screaming my name. Might go back and get some more, honestly, but so cute. And for only $16 versus $2,800, bet. So, sticking with the Bottega Veneta theme here, we have this little popular bag right here. This would be the dupe for the Bottega Veneta, the chain pouch. So it's super cute, looks just like the real thing. The only thing, this is a little cheapy, you know, it's a little plasticky. It's not really metal. The way you open it, it's like a magnetic, like bendy closure thing. Well, not magnetic, but you know, it bends and pops back together. So real easy to get in and out of. There is this long strap that goes with it. Not really sure if it comes off, but I really wouldn't want that on there. So I might take it off if I end up wearing it. Let's see, anything on the inside? No, nothing on the inside, but a lot of room. Looks like you can put a lot of stuff in it though. It's really, really cute. The original bag costs, baby girl, $3,600. I would never pay $3,600 for a bag that looks like this. I mean, not knocking you if you got it or if you want it, whatever. But yeah, this is a good little dupe for that. Super cute. Just can't do too much clinking and clanking with this because somebody gonna be like, baby, that's not a Bottega. It's like a Bottega.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. You in my business? Yeah, don't do that.
But it's okay. I'm gonna rock my Bottega. Okay? And that's that. On that note, we're gonna get right on into shoes. I have 2 pairs of shoes to show, and then we're gonna get into the grand finale. This first pair of shoes, so cute, so super cute. Only thing, I'm a little upset because they are super big, but I might just throw on some socks and hopefully they'll fit a little better. But these put me in the mind of the Nike Fly Knit sneakers, the Vapor Max. So you got the knit out here on the outside so it conforms to your foot. Then you have the bubble bottom. Really super cute. I know they have these in a few different colors. I don't remember, but you can click the link down below and you can check them out for yourself. Now the Fly Knit, the Vapor Max sneakers, they retail for $200. But these babies right here were only $29. and these are really cute. They are made really well. Only thing I would say, if you do order these, get your size, your European size, because it says, what size did I get? It says European 40, and I wear a 39, which is like a 9 in US sizes. I should have got the 39, but it said European 40 and in parentheses like 9 or something. So definitely size down a little bit because they do run big, but they are super, super gorgeous. Oh my God. I wish these fit me. I might end up just ordering them again and selling these somewhere or refunding them. I don't know, but I love these. So I know by now y'all gonna get tired of me with these Bottega Veneta dupes, but I mean, the look is just so timeless and classic. I love it, the whole braided look. So this next pair of shoes came in the SHEIN box, and they are the Braided Mules. I got these in like a chocolate brown color. So it's the square toe with the braided across the front of the foot, and it's a mule with the skinny heel. The only thing I can say about this part, if you have a narrow foot like mine, like my foot is not wide at all, it just slides and slips. And this also was too big, so I ordered a 41 and it had the parentheses 9, of course, like my US size, and they're too big. So I should have gotten a 39 like my first mind said, but with SHEIN, you can only go on the reviews that people have left, and there weren't really many reviews. And if they were, they said that they ran true to size, which is a lie. So clearly, yeah, I need to do something. I don't know. I might make it work. I might send them back. But yes, this shoe right here, oh my God. Everybody and their mama had these shoes, okay? So you definitely don't have to spend all that money. These retail, these would be the dupe for the Bottega Veneta BV Lido sandals. Retail for $1,270. I paid $27. Yes, $27. And they also had this really pretty pink. Oh my God, the pink was so gorgeous. I might end up going to get those in my right size. But they had a ton of colors. They have burgundy, they have red, they have blue. I know it's a little cold out right now to be wearing some sandals, but I mean, you never know. They might still be in style next year. So yeah, you know, you may go out of town, you might go kick it on the beach somewhere on the island. You're gonna want them soles out. So definitely go get these shoes, okay? If you wanna look high class on a budget, all right? Sis, I don't think y'all ready for this one. I don't think y'all ready, okay? So the grand finale is this gorgeous bag right here, okay? This is the Pebble Embossed Satchel bag. It is a dupe for the Hermes Birkin bag. Which retails, you know, at least 10K. I don't know how much because, you know, everybody around here getting one. They claim they paying for them. I don't know what's going on, but at least $10,000, and I paid $24. $24 to get the same look. It just don't have the Hermes right there or whatever. I mean, but everybody know I don't have a 10K bag, okay? If you don't know by now, I mean, hey, that's your fault if you believe that I have one, okay? So this bag right here, okay, so let me tell you, if the real one is this hard to open, I don't think I would even want it just for that fact alone, because I'm not gonna do all that to get in the bag. So you have to twist this little lock here, open one side, take the other one out, pop it up over these little hooks here on both sides, take this front part off, See, this is too much. I ain't got time. And then you can get to the inside of the bag. So I suppose you can carry it like this, but I don't know, they look a little tacky. But on the inside you have nothing. Nothing at all. It's nothing fancy, no extra zippers. I don't know what's on the real one. Probably will never see a real one. But hey, it's real to me, okay? So, you know, I can be like all the little famous folks, you know, fancy but classy. Birkin bag me. Yes, this is my little Birkin, all right? And nobody's gonna tell me any different, all right? I can get the same look, only pay, what I pay? $24, okay? So yes, definitely hit up SHEIN because they have some steals. You will not break the bank. You will always find some coupons somewhere on the internet. Just Google it. You can get 15 to 20%. And they also have coupons like when you first get on the site, and you can just save them right there. You don't even have to search. You also get little points when you shop, leave reviews, and different things like that. So those points add up. It'll take some dollars off. And yes, you can thank me. I am the designer god right now. So yes, let me know down below which of these items is your favorite. Of course, you already know mine, but let me know which one is your favorite. Thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you Glam Dolls later.